Peace be upon you. Friends, have you ever asked, can this be done in Islam? Or if I do this, get the reward? No, yes. Well, let me not be confused anymore. Today we will discuss the 5 basic laws in Islamic law, which regulates our every deed. Watch until it runs out, yeah. First, there is a mandatory. This is an order we have to do. If done, we get the reward. But if it's abandoned, we will sin. The easiest example is Salat 5 times, fasting in the month of Ramadan, or pay zakat for those who can afford. This is the foundation of our faith, so don't miss ya. Second, there's Sunnah. This is an excellent suggestion to do. If we do, we get the reward. But even if you don't, we are innocent. For example, Wajib Salat before or after Salat Fardu, fasting Monday, Thursday, or giving alms. Doing the Sunnah is like increasing savings. Our reward low. Third, Mubah. This means it's doable. Can't either. There is no reward. There is also no sin. For example, eat and drink, sleeping or walking. As long as you don't violate other rules. Our daily activities most fall into this category, but things that can be rewarding if the intention is good, such as eating to maintain health, to be strong in worship. Fourth, Makruh. This is something we should avoid. If we leave because of God, we can get the reward, but if it's already done, we are innocent, like eating and drinking while standing, or talk too much, things that are not useful. This is like a yellow light. We better be careful. Last is the 5th, is illegal. This is a strict ban. If we're determined to do it, we must be sinful. If we leave her, Kita Daypat first. Example, obviously yes. Like stealing, adultery, drinking liquor, or eating pork. This is a red zone that we must stay away from. Here are the 5 basic laws in Islam. By understanding it, I hope we can be wiser in each of our deeds every day and always be on the path blessed by God. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon in the next video.